What's going on, everybody? Jason here, and today we are cleaning out Nismo's garage. He's a little bit of a hoarder.
I'm not a hoarder!
He's got all sorts of crazy JDM parts everywhere, and we're trying to rearrange his garage so he can get his Pulsar GTR in here.
I'm not a hoarder.
And his R33 GTR. So right now we're trying to get a whole bunch of stuff reorganized, get some stuff out the way, but I'm gonna walk around the garage and show you guys the stuff he has in here. It's kind of crazy. So what is this, Nismo?
Well, that's an RB26 DETT.
Oh my goodness.
I got to replace the rod bearing on that thing.
Just sitting here in the garage, rotting away, right?
No, it's not going to rot away. I'm going to put it to use.
And what's this over here? It's the RB26 block?
Don't worry, baby. I got you. Yeah, that's another RB26 that pretty much is, I haven't found anything wrong with it, so I just got to put it back together with good parts.
Oh my God. So here's some of the stuff that we pulled out already. Let's walk around, check everything out. So yes, bride seat.
That's just morale. Look at all that morale.
Oh my goodness. Take a quick look. Got drive shaft. I think this is a turbo manifold for, oh, no. It's for a 6-cylinder. Hey, what are you doing with this exhaust manifold?
Well, what had happened was, it's going to go on one of these engines.
Oh, so you're just saving it for a rainy day, huh?
Yeah. I'm going to go on one of them.
Oh, what's this? Mishimoto front mount intercooler. Oh. Oh, crankshaft down here. What's this go to?
So what happened was, someone gave me that one, you know. Mark Harper, thank you.
Out of control.
You gotta be prepared
Oh.
all the time.
What are these in here? I see some snails. Oh my goodness. You doing a quad turbo install?
Morale building.
Yeah. So we'll go ahead and walk around and check out his Pulsar. It's not registered right now, but he's gonna be shipping this one back to the States, I think, on his dime. And then here's his baby. You guys have seen it in other videos. Also, go ahead and link his channel below so you guys can go check out. He's always doing maintenance videos and whatnot. He's out here in Okinawa for another few years. His neighbor's got a beautiful white 32. It's a Trust oil cooler relocation kit. It's just scratching the surface too. See, I'm smart because I'm video filming right now, so I don't have to do any of the manual labor, you know?
Yeah,
So we'll do like a little before. I'm gonna pan around so we can check out, you know, what it looked like before and get the final product. And Brian, he's got an R33, some nice LM GT4s. He's got an R33. We're all in the same neighborhood. You guys probably saw their cars in the car show video the other day.
we stop with skeet out some kind of poison on us.
I know, right?
Shit up like you just bite you. Poison not right, y'all. Poison us.
It's like Fast and Furious style barbecue over here. And a JDM barbecue wouldn't be right without any beer. See what else we got in here. There's a whole bunch of stuff. We got some R33 stock wheels, a bunch of tires. There's a head to RB26. I can't make this stuff up. Intake manifold. He just keeps pulling out more and more. It's ridiculous. Alright, so we're about to move this one real quick, and anybody's out there looking to buy some genuine JDM STI parts, hit me up. This one's gonna be selling a bunch of stuff.
I got it. You put this on there? That. Oh shit. This STI stuff. You know, the real JDM.
What it come off of? GC8?
GC8. Yeah. That's going to R33. This is a
GCA front strut. Some of the guys with the USDM motors. Yo, go check out Nismo's channel. Hit him up if you're looking to buy some of this stuff. Might be able to throw you a deal. I don't know.
Hell yeah, I'll throw you a deal. I'm all about the deal.
Man, look at this.
I'm all about the deal.
We got some genuine 33 formats. I remember these in my car.
I even got
some rotors.
Fucking Rico on the hood screws.
We're trying to get everything cleared out on this side of the garage to get the Pulsar in here. So you can start working on that. That's where we're at right now. Getting everything pretty much over here. This is going to be the work center. Clearing out everything over there. So we got to get all that stuff out the way. Get the Pulsar GTR in the garage. And then all this stuff out of there. And organize. But it's coming along pretty good. I mean, look at this stuff. Just got a drone hanging out. $20, I'll drop a pin for you guys so you guys can come check out the address. Totally kidding. So quick update, we got everything moved from the right side of the garage over to here. And right now, we're trying to get the GTR in. The plan is to get it over here, push all the way to the right, because Nismo's going to start working on it. And he'll probably have some video content on how-tos and everything on the SR20 on that car. So you definitely want to go check that out. But we're going to get that car in right here. And then all the stuff that's still out on the driveway and this stuff over here, we're going to get it organized. And it should be good to go. All right, we're in there.
That's it?
You got another foot? All right, hold.
I got no good to like.
You got to hit the wheel all the way to the left. You're gonna have to shimmy it.
Fuck it, let's pick it up.
I mean, the way we going.
We got this.
So go back forward a little.
Alright.
I got you.
Do not drink and drive, ladies and gentlemen.
Some type of can.
Go check out this SR20. Definitely needs a little bit of TLC though.
Mount it this way.
Yeah, while they clean it out here.
Yeah, that's really weird.
Aren't they?
This way.
Don't worry, girl. Daddy's got you now. Daddy got you.
He said it should go there.
We're gonna try to test fit the GTR, see if we can get it in the garage.
What sockets do we need to take off the tire? Like you need a 16. This is like the lane right there. Why's that?
Hey, the dolly might be in the way. You're good.
We are not clearing.
You're not clearing?
Not clear.
We are not clearing. We got another couple inches.
I mean, it's close, it's tight.
No,
If it ain't tight, it ain't right, boys.
That's right.
That's good.
Rule number 2. Yeah, I've seen that.
So,
You gotta pop the hood though, man. We're doing a little behind the scenes action on David's car right now. I know I had this car in a previous video, but YouTube didn't like the music in the background.
got the JCI done today.
Oh, you did it today?
Yeah.
Flying colors?
There's no canards. I had to.
Oh, you had to. Oh man, look at that. You had to take them off?
And all that.
Dang, dude, they wouldn't let it
They
fly?
told me no.
How come? Just cuts?
Doesn't do anything
Yeah,
to the car.
basically, let's put it this way. It didn't come with the car, so.
Yeah, neither did your entire. Neither did all this.
Yeah. Right here. This is all you.
This is it right here.
Yeah.
Look at that. That valve cover. Look at that sparkle. You can't make this stuff up, people.
You mean matching valve covers and brakes and all that?
I know, yeah.
That's what you mean?
Yeah, we're gonna check out the Brembos. Don't worry. This thing's beautiful.
See the brakes, the color of the brakes. Matching the engine.
This car only comes out for car shows, so this is definitely some like behind the scenes.
Yeah, you won't see this car out during the week or anything like that.
It's that VIP footage. I mean, just look at the hardware over here.
You can open it. It's fine.
If you guys can find a more beautiful R33 GTR
Don't touch it though. Yeah.
on YouTube, send me the link. I want to see it because I don't believe one exists out here. This is like the unicorn, midnight purple. This thing's immaculate.
Yo,
And I know we've been like showcasing Nismo's garage over here, but David's got some sweet stuff.
They make me get the.
Hey, what about these fenders over here? Are these the GTR or GTSD?
Yeah, those are my spare hood and the fenders. I'm about to get them purple pretty soon.
Just to have them?
Yes, to have them.
That's where the magic happens, right? All the Adams polishes. Man. I tried getting it last time when we were doing like a little Evo engine clean, but it was kind of short.
He's got a bigger garage than I do. Like, I don't have this.
Nobody knows anything about this over here.
Yeah, I know. Let's go check out the bike. Let's get some bike love. This thing's beautiful too, man.
He's just hiding it away over here.
Yeah, this is gonna stay there for a couple more years.
Is this a 1000?
This
600?
600. Gixxer 600.
Man, I think the bike's beautiful.
I love that thing. I can open it for you.
Wow, look at that. Ah, dude, that Nismo dash. Thing's so beautiful.
This thing lights up.
The Godzilla?
Yeah. This thing. But for the JC.
Hey, David.
Yeah.
Hey, real quick, what's up with that shift knob, man?
It's the JCI, man.
Oh, okay.
To get it up.
So you got another shift knob on it?
Something that says all the 1 through 5 and all that.
What do you normally have on there?
This is what I normally have, man. It's, matching.
Oh, of course. There it is. Alright. I was about to say, man.
Only for today.
I was about to say, I'm like, what's up with that? Like, everything on this car has been touched except for the shift knob, really?
The OG monster. I like it.
But I'm gonna stop creeping on David's R33. Alright, y'all are getting a double feature GTR action. This is Brian's GTR, literally 2 doors down. Midnight purple. And we're gonna check this one out.
Yeah. At least that was adjustable.
He's got the hey, what do you got? Kakamoto race? Full race? It's HKS exhaust? Nice. But we're gonna feature the wheels right here.
Definitely not gonna pass JCI.
So Brian recently picked up some LMGT4s. He does have LMGT1s that originally came in the car, but they're upstairs locked away.
So that lip you showed me, someone selling it or they just broke it? Or no, it was just one of those pages. I just want to let you know this is what's going to happen in the future, you know? Yeah.
Alright, man, what do you think?
It's Gucci. I really appreciate that help, guys.
Yeah, no worries, man.
Had us a few brewskis and
Yeah.
I think it's looking good overall.
We did something.
Definitely did something. We got the Polestar in the garage.
We did something.
But I think that's gonna do it for today's video. Tonight's video. Hey, but I'm gonna link Nismo's channel somewhere, maybe in the bottom, maybe the top. I don't know. Go check it out. He's gonna be working on the Polestar, and I think he's gonna be doing maybe some more videos here. Yeah.
GTIR.
IR and the R.
Yeah, but he's shipping both. So he's got the daily, right? What's the plan? If somebody beats that car, you can go park in the garage and you can pull that one out.
Baby Godzilla. Then I'll be like, okay, wait, and I'll be back and I'm going to get home big baby, the big Godzilla.
All right, Baby Godzilla. I like it. I like Baby Godzilla. We can dub that. That's the new GTR nickname, Baby G, and then the big G. But overall, the garage turned out pretty nice. You got both cars in here.
We did good.
Oh yeah. Mission accomplished. So we're gonna close it out. But throw me a like, subscribe, and go check out Nismo's channel.
It's the Navi gang, baby.
It's the Navi gang. If you want to see some actual GTR content. So catch y'all later.